Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're looking at a coin called Saros. Basically it is a Saros Finance, and this is a super app. As you can see, they have a lot of things. This is mostly for Solana, as you can see here. So they have their app, they have their ID, and they also have their DEX, uh, which is basically futures or perpetuals DEX, and that is one of the reasons why I think this coin is going up. So if you look here, basically in just 1 year or in just 30 days it is up over 300%, which is a massive pump, and it already has a massive market cap of 175 million. It is not that massive, and it can actually go even higher from the looks of it, because it seems like there is a lot of demand for this coin as of now. And this is Solana. It is in Solana ecosystem as well as Viction, which is basically, I believe, it is a rebrand of Tomo chain. Anyways, if we look at the price of this coin, and it has been trending, that's why I'm actually covering this coin. So as of now, let's straight look at the reason why this coin is pumping. But before that, let's look at what they have. So basically, first of all, they do have a massive investors. We have Solana Ventures as an investor, so that is massive. We also have Spartan, which is another big, I would say, crypto investor. We also have others as well, but I think the Solana Venture is the massive one here. Again, they have their ID. After that, we have their app, which is basically a wallet or tracker, or you can say all-in-one DeFi, all-in-one wallet exchange payments on this one app for Solana coins, as you can see, for Solana ecosystem. After that, as you can see here, they also have their DEX or their perpetual, which is one of the reasons why I think this coin is going up. So if we look at their users, they do have a massive number of 244k on their DEX. That is a massive number. They also have a lot of trading volume, as you can see, and they also have a pretty good liquidity as well, as you can see here. And if we go to their Twitter, they started listing a lot of new perpetual listings, as you can see here. They started with LTC or Litecoin. After that, we have Red, and we have ELX, and after that we did have a lot of new listing, as you can see here. We also have BMT, and they also listed, I think, ERDA as well as others, as you can see here. And as you can see here, we have ERDA, Trump Link, XRP, and others. And if we look at the price, this is when this massive pump happened. So that is one of the reasons why I think this coin is pumping. And again, they are focused on building their perpetuals, and I think because of that the demand for the coin has increased. That is one of the reasons why I think this coin is going up, because there are a lot of future traders out there, and this platform must have some easy KYC or something like that, and that could be the reason why it's going up. Again, this is a massive, you can say that, a pump for this coin because of this single product, I think. Again, if we look at other things, so let's look at the downloads. They don't have that many reviews on Google Chrome, as you can see here, and they also have apps. As you can see here, it is available on iOS as well as Android, as well as Chrome, as well as, again, we have Android as well. So I couldn't find their Play Store listing, and I think it is not up there, so that I'm not sure why is that, but they do have APK for the Android as well, as you can see here. But now let's come to the main part. Can it pump more or not? As of now, it has actually broken its all-time low, its all-time high, and that means we are going up, and there is nowhere to know where it will stop. That means it can go up. Again, this price action, if we look at the tokenomics of this coin, it has a max supply of 10 billion, I believe. Let me just check. Okay, so it has a max supply of 10 billion, out of which 2.6 billion is in the circulation. And the good thing that they did, I think, that they gave out initial tokens to the investors, as well, as you can see here. So investors got around 15% total supply, which is around 1.5 billion, and on release they did give some amount to the investors as well. So if we go to their in-depth token metrics, we have around 375 million going towards investors at launch. And if you look at the price action, basically this immense sell pressure that this coin faced is, I think, from the investors. As you can see here, it has struggled a lot, and I think investors did take profit. Again, this is investors taking profit, and again, after hitting the lowest point that it could, as you can see here, and it started to pump again. I think they got a lot of users, and because of that, the demand for the Saros coin itself started going up, and it started to pump. But again, we had another big massive release after month 12. So the coin came out in Jan of 2024. So in Jan of 2025 we had a massive release of tokens, and some of them went to investors as well as we have core contributors. So, and I think because of that, we had a massive sell pressure again. So if we look here, we are around here. So this is where the sale happened because of the token release, and as you can see here, the token went from 2.7 cent to as low as 0.6 cent. Again, after that, I believe they started doing a lot of perpetual listings, and the coin started to pump, and as of now they are focused on their DEX, and I think because of that the coin is pumping. And as you can see here, we have a massive up leg here, and we are most likely going up. Again, you have to understand that there is a monthly unlock of coins, so we can see a massive sell out as well because of those token unlocks. So it can actually go down as well, but I think if we do continue to go up, there is a possibility that this coin could actually end up hitting around 250 or even 300 million market cap, which is a possibility. But again, there is no way to know because it has no resistance, so it is unclear where the coin is heading. But if it does go down, I think we could actually retest this around 1.9 cent level, because this seems to be a pretty good support. Around 2.8 cent also seems to be a pretty good support, but the price action seems to be a bit weird, because if you look here, this is not a natural price action because it is only going up and up, and so I'm not sure what is happening here, but I don't like this pattern. So if you look here, basically after this massive pump, again the coin went up, but we have this consolidation again here. This seems to be a very unusual price action. So I think this coin may be, if you're planning to get into this coin, or you just saw it on Coin Market Cap or CoinGecko, I think this is one of those coins that you should avoid. But again, if you're willing to take a risk, I think it is better to wait around 3 cents. Again, this was it. I hope you like the video. I will be back with more. Thanks for watching.